Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the lesson. Today, let's talk about powers, roots, something that I like to call BODMAS, and identities. Let's first talk about powers. Power is represented on a number by having a small number on top of it. So, 2 raised to 2 or 5 raised to 3 are known as powers. Here, the small 2 on the first number and the small 3 on the second number are known as powers. What this notation means is 2 raised to 2 means we multiply this 2 twice. 5 raised to 3 means 5 multiplied by itself 3 times. The power of 2 is also known as a square. So this means 2 square, and the power of 3 is also known as cube. So this means 5 cube. Now let's look at roots. A root is denoted by this symbol, and the root of the second root of 25 means a number multiplied by itself equals 25. So in our case, this is 5. Roots and powers are the opposites of each other. The same way, if we look at the cube root of 8, it means a number multiplied by itself 3 times equals 8. In this case, it is 2. Now let's talk about the right way to perform arithmetic operations. This is governed by the rule known as BODMAS. Let's say we have an arithmetic expression which looks like this. The question is, how will you evaluate this arithmetic expression in the right way? There can be many answers and many ways of operations, many different ways or different orders in which the arithmetic expression can be solved. But what is the right way? The right way to perform an arithmetic operation is using BODMAS. What this stands for is bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. It's useful to note that division and multiplication are basically at the same level, and addition and subtraction are also at the same level. I'll explain as we go along. So, the first thing is we need to solve the brackets. So, we pick one bracket, we solve it completely, we pick the next bracket and solve it completely. Now, within the bracket, we solve the orders, and the order refers to powers or roots first. So here, the order is 3 squared. We solve this by multiplying 3 by itself and getting the expression 9 plus 6 minus 10 by 2 into 20 plus 100 minus 30. Now, once the order is solved, we go in for division and multiplication. Now you can see here we have a division 10 divided by 2. We solve this first. This gives us 5 into 20 plus 100 minus 30, 9 plus 6 of course, and 15 divided by 3. The next step is multiplication. So we multiply 5 into 20. This gives us 9 plus 6 as before, minus 100 plus 100 minus 30. And here we have 15 divided by 3. We don't touch this expression for now. Now next we add 9 and 6. This gives us 15 minus 100 plus 100 minus 30. Now the question is, how do we add numbers? In which order? Do we do a 15 minus 100 plus 100 minus 30? Is there any specific sequence we have to add or subtract numbers? When we reduce an expression to positive and negative terms, the rule is we add all the positive terms and add all the negative terms and subtract the negative terms from the positive terms. The positive terms here are 15 and 100. The negative terms are 100 and 30. So as per the rule, we add 15 to the 100, which gives us 115. Oops, maybe we talk about simplification of the next um, bracket first. So this is just a simple equation. This is 15 divided by 3. It gives us 5. And like before, when I talked about the addition, subtraction, we are adding 15 to the positive 100, and we are adding minus 100 and minus 30. This gives us minus 130. So the final positive term is 115, and the final negative term is minus 130. This gives us minus 15 plus 5 and gives us the answer of minus 10. This is the right way to perform an arithmetic operation. Remember BODMAS: bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Now let's talk about identities. You have two identities, a multiplicative identity and a additive identity. A multiplicative identity is a number which, when multiplied with any other number, gives you the same number back again. The multiplicative identity is 1. An example is 1 multiplied by 5 gives you 5 again. 1 multiplied by any number except 0 gives you the same number again. So 1 times 6 is again 6. Now let's talk about the additive identity. A number which, when added with any other number, gives you the same number is known as an additive identity. Do you know what the additive identity is? Yep, it's 0. 0 added to any other number gives you that number again. 0 plus 1 equals 1, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Comment, subscribe, and let me know um, if you like the video. Let me know what other lessons you would like me to post on. Thanks and bye.